Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Zane, and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Zane.
Good morning, Sarah.
How are you today?
I am very good. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
That is nice to hear.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I do. I like calm mornings.
Me too. Morning time feels peaceful.
Yes, everything feels fresh in the morning.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, but I enjoy early mornings.
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is still good.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, my phone alarm wakes me up.
Is it loud?
Very loud.
That sounds funny.
Sometimes I want to sleep again.
I understand that feeling.
What do you do first in the morning?
First, I sit on my bed for a few minutes. Yes, I need time to wake up fully.
Same here.
Then I wash my face.
Cold water?
Yes, cold water helps me feel awake.
That sounds refreshing.
It really is.
After that, do you brush your teeth?
Of course.
Me too.
Brushing teeth is very important.
Yes, everyone should do it every morning.
After brushing my teeth, I drink water.
That is a healthy habit.
Thank you.
I usually drink tea in the morning.
Oh, really?
Yes, warm tea makes me happy.
What kind of tea do you like?
I like milk tea.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
I also enjoy tea in the morning.
Tea and quiet mornings are perfect together.
I agree.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds delicious.
Sometimes I eat fruit, too.
Fruit is very healthy.
Yes, I like bananas and apples.
Apples are my favorite fruit.
Really?
Yes, I eat apples almost every day.
That is great.
What do you drink with breakfast?
Usually tea or milk.
Nice.
Do you cook your breakfast?
Sometimes.
What can you cook?
I can cook eggs and noodles.
That is good.
Cooking simple food is easy.
Yes, simple food is sometimes the best.
I agree.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I get dressed and prepare for the day.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
Not always.
Same here.
Sometimes I change my clothes 2 or 3 times.
That sounds funny.
Yes, I cannot decide sometimes.
I usually wear comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes feel nice in the morning.
Exactly.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of music?
Soft and relaxing music.
That sounds peaceful.
Music helps me feel calm.
I like listening to English podcasts.
That is a great idea for learning English.
Yes, listening practice is very important.
Morning is a good time for learning.
The brain feels fresh in the morning.
Exactly.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Walking is very healthy.
Yes, it gives me energy.
I like stretching in the morning.
Stretching feels relaxing.
Yes, it helps the body feel active.
Do you drink coffee?
Not often.
Why not?
Coffee makes me nervous.
Oh, I understand.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, when I feel very sleepy.
Coffee helps many people wake up.
That is true.
Sarah, what is your favorite morning activity?
I love morning walks.
Why do you like them?
Because the weather feels cool and peaceful.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I enjoy drinking tea near the window.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, quiet mornings make me happy.
Let's teach some English now.
Great idea.
The phrase wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example sentence, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Very good.
Another word is breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Example sentence, I eat breakfast every morning.
Excellent.
Let's learn another useful sentence.
Okay.
Brush your teeth.
This means cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush.
Example sentence, I brush my teeth after waking up.
Very useful sentence.
Many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
I brush my teeth before breakfast.
Nice example.
Let's talk about grammar now.
Okay,
We say, I wake up.
but for he or she, we say he wakes up.
Yes, we add S.
Example, she wakes up early every morning.
Excellent.
Another example, he drinks tea every morning.
Very good.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, always.
That is a good habit.
My mother taught me that.
My mother says the same thing.
A clean room feels nice.
I agree completely.
Do you open the window in the morning?
Yes, fresh air feels amazing.
I love morning sunlight.
Sunlight gives positive energy.
Sometimes rainy mornings are nice too,
Yes, rain sounds peaceful.
especially with hot tea.
Exactly.
Listeners, what time do you wake up? Please write your answer in the comments. We would love to read your comments.
Do you sing in the morning?
Sometimes, when I feel happy.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I hum songs quietly.
Nice.
Morning birds also sound beautiful.
Yes, I love hearing birds in the morning.
Nature feels peaceful early in the day.
I completely agree.
Let's learn another English word.
Sure.
The word is schedule.
A schedule is a plan for your day.
Example sentence, I check my schedule every morning.
Very useful.
Another word is exercise.
Exercise means physical activity for health.
Example sentence, walking is good exercise.
Excellent example.
Do you read books in the morning?
Sometimes I read simple English books.
That is good for vocabulary.
Yes, reading helps a lot.
Listening also helps pronunciation.
And speaking helps confidence.
Exactly.
English practice is important every day.
Even 10 minutes can help.
Small practice is better than no practice.
Very true.
What advice do you have for listeners?
Practice simple English every morning.
That is good advice.
Listen to English while drinking tea or eating breakfast.
Learning English can be fun.
Yes, do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends.
Thank you for supporting our channel.
Zane, what is one bad morning habit?
Sleeping too long.
That happens to many people.
Another bad habit is skipping breakfast.
Yes, breakfast is important.
Do you ever skip breakfast?
Sometimes when I am late,
Me too.
but I try not to skip it often.
Good idea.
Let's practice pronunciation now.
Great.
Repeat after me. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Very good.
Another word. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Excellent.
Comfortable clothes feel nice in the morning.
Especially soft clothes.
Yes.
Do you like winter mornings?
Yes, I like warm blankets and hot tea.
That sounds cozy.
What about summer mornings?
Summer mornings feel bright and energetic.
The sun rises early in summer.
Yes, the mornings feel longer.
Morning activities are very important.
They can change your whole day.
Positive mornings help positive thinking.
I completely agree.
Listeners, what is your favorite morning activity?
Please tell us in the comments.
We enjoy reading your answers.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about many morning activities.
And we learned new English words too.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.